flowtech truck, and it's loud. It's very loud. It's got open headers on it. I want to talk about the headers right now because they're a flowtech. They're for a 74 model with 302, but 351 Windsor heads is a little bit higher, or block casting is higher. So the headers hit the steering box just barely a skosh, and on the passenger side header, got a little bit of frame work to do, and bell housing with the starter. We'll look at that. There's where it's going to bump over there. Well, you may not be able to see it all, but trust me, headers are a pain in the butt. 351 in this model truck. You got the cross member that is under the cab, not for the transmission, but the one under the cab that kind of chew away and replace it, or either cut it out real carefully. But, that's about it. That is a 74 F100 Ranger with 351 Windsor. Have a good day. Peace out.